everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Tree, so I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing another unboxing. My Amazon stuff keep coming one by one, so guess what? We gonna be continuing to do these videos one by one until I get all my stuff, because yeah, I'm not finna wait on all these packages to come when everything keep coming one by one. I'm impatient, and no, that's not how I ordered it. I ordered it all together. I feel like it should come all together, but whatever, that's neither here nor there. Anyways, like 2 weeks ago, I bought this bonnet off of Amazon. It's reversible, so this is one side, and it was $9.99. So this is like the first side, you can wear it, and then this is like the black side. I'm putting it on just to show y'all it's reversible. Bam, right? And so I've been wearing it for 2 weeks. I've been trying it out, y'all. This bonnet is absolutely great, hands down. Like, it's comfortable to wear. It's comfortable to wear. It doesn't slip off of my head. It fits all of my hair perfectly. It's the great mixture of silk or satin. I absolutely love it, and I love the way it makes my hair feel as well. So I liked it so much, I bought another one. And I like that it's reversible too, because sometimes, I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I get tired of my bonnet. So I like reversible bonnets, so I can wear the different color or the different pattern, you know what I mean? So yeah, like when I get tired of the black, I can flip it over. Bam, now there's cream. Bam, no harm, no foul, no bruise, right? Well, I like this one so much. I got it for $9.99 on Amazon. I liked it so much, I bought a second one. So this one, it matches my earrings. I didn't even know that for real, but it matches my earrings. So this one is blue, and I do think I'm gonna get them in every color because they're so cheap and they're so great. I absolutely love them. So yeah, I'm just gonna get one in every color off of Amazon. So this is what this one looks like. I love the blue. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I absolutely love this color. So this is the blue, and then this is the teal. I don't know. This is the other blue. Whatever. It's in the blue family. I don't know. But yeah, look, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. They're so pretty, so cute. This doesn't get too tight. Like, I've had this on all day, and you can see I don't have any wrinkles here from the band. It's really nice, soft, and stretchy. These bonnets were definitely made like really nice and really good. So what you do is you go to Amazon, right? You type in satin bonnets, and the bestseller one is the one that I got. So if you pick the bestseller one, this one is gonna pop up, and then the other one, this one is gonna pop up. And yeah, I got this one. I'm definitely gonna get them in every color because they're so nice. They're made really good. And yeah, I like them, and I specifically wanted something that was gonna fit my all of my hair, you know what I mean? Like, I don't have to worry about it not fitting my hair when my hair is out and about like this, when it's in a twist out. And so yeah, I absolutely love it. These bonnets are perfect. They don't slip, they literally stay on, and that's something that I was kind of struggling with. I'm not sure if the band is gonna like wear, I'm not sure if the band is gonna get like lose its stretch over time. Hopefully it doesn't, but if it does, I don't mind repurchasing these over and over again. So yeah, if it does lose stretch over time, that's fine. I don't mind repurchasing them. But yeah, I love the quality, and for $9, this is a definitely good bonnet. This is a definite good bonnet. I was on TikTok, right? the other day, and I was looking for, like, you know, girls that sold bonnets and shit like that. Prices is ridiculous. So yeah, best bet is to just go on Amazon, get you a bestseller for $9.99 or $11.99, and yeah, you know, I like to give people good products but not break their bank account. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, that's just what I like to do. This is what I like to do, you know what I mean? But yeah, these bonnets are great quality. So yeah, y'all, that's all I wanted. Like I said, I got this one in the mail. Y'all are just gonna keep getting Amazon unboxings until I get all my stuff one by one. I'm gonna go ahead and do a video because no, like, you know what I mean, I'm not gonna wait, you know. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.